Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mika J, and I will be your MC for this special occasion. Birthday celebrant, the beautiful Marisa Villas Gusela. Kasi na our beautiful birthday celebrant. Kumusta? Napakagandang birthday celebrant today.
Okay lang, happy, at na-amaze ako kasi may surprise friend from Davao by the name of Amor. Welcome sa akong pinubring celebration.
Alright, thank you so much. Our birthday celebrant is celebrating her 65-year young. But kung titingnan nyo, without charm, walang charm-charm, walang itchos-itchos, she looks 16-year-old. Palakpakan mo na natin ang ating birthday celebrant. Walang paper-cover na. Okay. Alright, thank you. Sit back and relax because we will have fun this occasion. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, to hit the dance floor tonight, let's all welcome the University 41 with their opening